Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change CV axle on Dodge Ram 1500 passenger side. Updated. Begin by lifting the truck and securing it on jack stands, then remove the wheel and loosen the axle nut. Disconnect the lower ball joint and control arm as needed to free the hub, then slide the CV axle out of the transmission while supporting the weight. Keep parts organized and inspect seals and splines for wear before installing the new axle. In this video, I will show how to change CV axle on Dodge Ram 1500 passenger side. Updated. After jacking up and supporting the truck, crack the axle nut and remove the wheel, then unbolt the caliper and rotor if needed. Use a pry bar to separate the CV joint from the hub and carefully dislodge the inner shaft from the transmission, watching for fluid and support the axle so it does not drop. Clean the area and check the seal before proceeding. In this video, I will show how to change CV axle on Dodge Ram 1500 passenger side. Updated. Insert the new axle into the transmission with a straight, firm push until you hear the retention clip click. Reinstall the hub, torque the axle nut to specification, and reconnect the lower ball joint and any removed suspension parts. Bleed or top up transmission fluid if needed, lower the truck, and perform a test drive to confirm smooth operation and no.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.